Hi guys, I'm Jasmine, and this is my house. This is my dad Andre, but you could call him Andy. My dad and I have been living in this house for 23 years. I've always been too embarrassed to film in my house, but the time is here. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jasmine and this is Reckless Adventures. Today I am stepping out of my comfort zone. Today we are cleaning my 80-year-old dad's kitchen. We've lived here for 23 years and our landlord does nothing. So I am going to clean the hell out of it today, which is going to be part one. Part two is going to be painting it, redoing the cabinets and everything. When I show you this, it's going to be a disaster, but we're going to try to make it as best as we can. So it's time to put on some clothes we don't really care about because this is going to be a busy day. It's going to take me like the whole entire day. So let's put some clothes on and let's put our hair up. Nice. So it's out of the way. Now a shirt. Gotta find one. We're going to need a new shirt. Woo! Okay, this shirt will do good enough. It's like a workout top, but I haven't used it in so long, so okay. The idea of this is let's try to get as much done before my dad wakes up because he always gets in the way of my cleaning because he thinks I'm going to throw all this stuff out. So I'm going to go upstairs. I'm going to show you the disaster. We're going to get all the cleaning supplies out and we're going to get to it. It's going to take hours. Trust me. And judge all you want. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone for this. At least I have a roof over my head and I appreciate it anyway, even if it looks like a disaster. So, get ready for this. Are you guys ready to see it? Brace yourselves. I'm going to be starting like towards the fridge and then around. But first I'm just going to show you everything. I'll open every cabinet and show you. Okay, so for the most part you can see what I'm dealing with. It's going to take me forever and this is ridiculous. It should not look like this. I'm overwhelmed just looking at it, okay? So that's what we're doing today. We're cleaning the kitchen. I'm going to set out all the cleaning supplies. I'm going to start from on top of the fridge and we're going to make our way around. And by the end, you'll see what I've done. Let me know if you like it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up because part two will be washing the walls, painting the cupboards, and making this look like an actual kitchen again. Stay tuned. I haven't even started it. I already woke up. There is so much to clean today.
what's wrong, but something isn't right. Don't feel I belong in the light. Passion has gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight. I'm tasting no tears, I'm fighting no fears, but still there's a hole in my heart. Not on my own, but I feel it sometimes. Wondering what should I do? For reasons unknown, I don't need to decide. It's true that I don't have a clue. I'm tasting no tears, I'm fighting no fears, but still there's a hole in my heart. I'm wasted. No time.
Hey guys, welcome back to the cleaning video. I recorded it the other day, but I'm going to continue it. All I have left is the stove and one wall, and then I'm going to show you everything. And then this video will finally be done. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Feel I belong in the light. Passion has gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight. Things just feel heavy tonight. Things just feel heavy tonight. Things just feel heavy tonight.
So this is the last sweep and the last mop, and we are finally done this kitchen cleanup. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Hey guys, so I finally finished the kitchen video, and I'm gonna give you a little tour. We're not really gonna go into the cabinets or into the fridge or anything. It was kind of just like a wipe down of those, and we're gonna organize those maybe in another video. But we've come a long way. Let me show you. So you walk in, I wiped down this whole fridge. It is so much whiter. We have appliances on top instead of a whole bunch of garbage, because we have way too many appliances. This is my little fruit basket to wash them out, and my little cutting board. I use that every day, so that's why it's up there. And then the most used items are up there. Alright, so before there was a shelf here, and the dishwasher is right in the middle. And now we have the dishwasher there with the microwave on top with our little Google Home. So that looks a lot better. We have our toaster over here. The backsplash is all washed, and the table is all washed. We do have some more appliances down here, but these are the ones we don't really use because we can't really get into them. If I could show you. So there's like a crock pot, deep fryer, rice maker. I kind of organized this one drawer because I got all these containers. So that's one drawer I could show you, which is mine. And then just a couple of snacks, not really much, and then all the pasta. The next one is the spices. I thought I was going to go through a lot more. And then baking stuff. More baking stuff up there. Yeah. Anyways, I didn't do these ones. But yeah, under here I was supposed to put out that mat. I totally forgot. But I have all the pots kind of more organized than I did before, and I have all the lids in this kind of like little holder and all the bags in there. Here is all wiped down. So this is all wiped down here. The stove was so bad. This was literally all cake too. It's really nice now. Up here, my dad went through this one to give me it for my stuff, but he still has to go through that one. But we won't talk about that. So all my lunch containers are there because I meal prep. I wiped down here. Now you can actually see that. This was terrible. These were caked. You can actually see through here now. Old antique timer. Okay. I cleaned here as well. So much better. And my dad changed the cabinets. But the bottom one he's still working on because the screw fell out. Kind of. This is where the deep fryer was. But now we have our knives and spices, parchment paper. And yeah, it does look so much better. And this wall was disgusting. But as you can see, it's back to being a white wall. So yeah. Next we have to work on is just basically cleaning out there and then reorganizing all the cabinets in the fridge. But for now, that's what we got done.
Wow.
I love you.
Love you too, babe. Did a good job.
The wall is white.
I know, I see that.
Nice, huh?
You got a hard time putting that stuff back?
No.